Hey, 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 welcome back to another day. Hello, beautiful. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this look I want to create today, which I'm not quite sure, but I know I want to utilize some of the palettes that I do have right in front of me. So I've already washed and cleansed my face. We're going to go ahead and moisturize, and I'm going to go in with currently right now my favorite moisturizer. This is the La Roche-Posay. Is this right here, baby? You can find them, I believe Walmart has them. I know Target. I know some people ain't buying at Target, but you know, hey, there we go. You can also pick it up at Ulta. And I have like this much left of this moisturizer. So for those of you that do not know, I have oily combination skin type. Well, that's the skin type I have. This moisturizer is for that. I also use a face wash as well. We're just gonna go ahead and really moisturize my face. Now that my face is moisturized, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some sunscreen. I told you guys I have a lot of these little tiny ones. This is a Supergoop Mineral Matte Sunscreen, and I'm just gonna take a nice size amount like that into my hand, and I'm not just gonna put it on my hands, but yes, I'm not just gonna put it on my face. You guys are only gonna see me put it on my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it like on my shoulders, my décolleté area, my arms, any exposed skin, because I will be going out today. So now that I have that ashy cast on my face, we're gonna go ahead and I am going to attack my brows. You guys, I am just gonna use my dark brown brow eyeliner from Shop Miss A. For primer today, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. Got my moisturizer, I got my sunscreen, I got my primer. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the face. I think I'm gonna do the eyes last today, you guys, because I still don't know what I wanna do. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna contour first. We're gonna do the under paint. And I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution cream contour in dark. And I need a brush. That is what we're gonna do first. So I'm just gonna take this brush here. Okay, it's like a fluffy, tapered looking brush here. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna go in with the deeper shade right here because I want it to pop underneath the foundation I'm using. So we're gonna go ahead and just start kind of like carving out our face. Yeah, I didn't realize my camera was about to die and I actually got somewhere to go. So I don't show the entire look and how I'm doing this. You guys will see a picture of it at the end of this video, the part that I can do. I'm just going in with this foundation, Kush foundation. As soon as I open it, this is what the foundation looks like on the inside. You can pick it up from Amazon. I have the shade 43 in Deep Cocoa, and I'm just going to use this as my foundation for today. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do a eye look because of the camera, the fact that my battery is bleeding. So I'm just gonna show you the finished look and show you everything that I used. All right, I am back. This is the finished look. I'm gonna show you guys all real quick before my camera completely dies on me what I used. So of course you guys seen my moisturizer, you've seen my primer. I think that's it. You saw my sunscreen. I went in with this Kush foundation here. Like, I will try to leave a link for this down below in the description box. I picked up mine from Amazon. I really do like the shade I picked out. It's so perfect for my skin tone. Really do like this. This is a Kush foundation. For concealer, I did do a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. I did not set my concealer because this concealer like basically sets itself. So that's why I love it so much. This is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in Chestnut. This is the concealer I used. I think that's about it for complexion. I used my Il Makiage mascara. For lip liner, I went in with this Zoeva Powerful Lip Twist in Helen. Hope you guys can see that. But that is the lip liner I used. And for the lip color on top, I went in with this shade here called Chic from Juvia's Place. Yeah, Juvia's Place. You guys can see that. Hope it's not too glary. That's about it that's on my face. I didn't do nothing else. I didn't add no highlight or nothing, and I have like a natural glow on my face due to this Kush foundation. I really do like this Kush foundation. If you've never tried it, you need to try it. I purchased mine's from Amazon. Mine's is a mini, by the way, and I use the shade 43 in Deep Cocoa. So that is the shade I used. But this is how the whole look came out. This is actually going to be my look for the day. I'm actually about to hit Joann's up before Joann's, you know, completely disappears like Toys R Us. So that's what my plans are for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will come back, you know, and chit chat with you guys again soon. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this look and this room, because I won't be having this room much longer, y'all. Anyways, we're gonna leave that alone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.